Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. Make sure your TV supports Bluetooth and firmware is up to date. Once done, power the audio device and enable its pairing mode so it's discoverable. Now pick up the remote and navigate directly to settings. Typically, you'll find Bluetooth under connections or sound. Move promptly. This prevents accidental timeouts on the audio device. If a prompt asks for permission to scan, approve it. Scanning is the step that lets your TV detect the pairing-ready device, so you can proceed. Once in the Bluetooth menu, choose Add Device or Pair New Device to start scanning. The TV will list nearby discoverable items. When you see your headset or speaker name, select it. If a PIN appears, enter the code shown on screen or the device default such as 0000 or 1234. This secures the link. After confirming, the TV negotiates profiles and codecs, which can take a few seconds, so be patient. When the TV displays connected, test audio to ensure the stream routes correctly. To finish, set the audio output to the paired Bluetooth device and tweak volume or audio delay settings if speech and picture are out of sync. Once connected, verify automatic reconnection is enabled so the TV remembers the accessory. If pairing fails or audio drops, immediately forget the device on both TV and accessory and repeat pairing. This clears stored keys. Also make sure devices are within range, remove Wi-Fi or microwave interference, and update firmware on both units. These steps resolve most stubborn dropouts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.